What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, I have one more thing that I need to make, and it's a bow with raffia in it to go on another wreath. All right, so y'all, this one we're going to do about a 12-inch tail. All right, we're going to do about a 6-inch loop. On both sides. Y'all, let's do a terry bow with it. All right, loops are going to get a little bit smaller every time. Going to add a little bit of raffia every time. Y'all, everything that we're making today is a multiple. If you don't know what a multiple is, it just means that you can make it more than once. So whenever you list it on Etsy, you just change the quantity from 1 to however many you can make. And y'all, it's super helpful and beneficial All right, last little bit of raffia. Y'all, now we can tie this one off. You know what? Let's put a center loop since we add a little bit more raffia. Let's do one more center loop. Y'all, one more wreath ready to ship out on Etsy. Done.